Hello, this is a video of my Tonka recycling trash truck 72. See? All of this trash, there's lots of it than you expect. We'll go right in here, into the back of it. And I think you're wondering how it's going to get in there. Well, first the trash goes right here. It goes up, right in here. Here. Okay. Right in here. All this trash gets in there. Those who have to use their hands to turn the thing, this little thing right here makes this part turn inside, like that. It gets squished all in there. Some trash trucks have little squishers inside it to make more room without to do that. This is my first trash truck ever, and I loved it. I'm like a teenager now, but... well, not a teenager, I'm still a kid, but this is still my favorite trash truck. Thanks for watching.